So, what makes Switzerland, the mountainous Central European country, so irresistible? Well, few places offer such a perfect blend of natural wonder, cultural richness, and flawless infrastructure. From the majestic Alps to storybook towns like Lucerne and Zermatt. Adventure lovers can hit the slopes in world renowned resorts, donned in ski gear during the winter or hiking gear during the summer, while peace seekers can unwind by tranquil lakes or in thermal spas. And with the precision of its railways, the taste of its chocolates, and the heritage behind its timepieces, Switzerland turns even simple moments into luxury. If you joined us on our journey through China, you'll remember that many of China's visitors came from France and the United States of America. Interestingly, those same countries are also among Switzerland's top sources of international tourists. Source: Google search. It's a beautiful example of the global linkage and travel interdependence between East and West, with curious travelers exploring both ancient history in China and alpine elegance in Switzerland. Switzerland attracts over 17 to 20 million international visitors each year. Source: Switzerland Tourism Statistics. Leading the pack is Germany, Switzerland's neighbor and cultural cousin. Previously mentioned tourists also come from the United States of America, France, the UK, Italy, and China. Switzerland's multinational appeal makes it a favorite for honeymooners, wellness tourists, and high-end explorers alike. With an approximate total area of 41,285 square kilometers, Switzerland is a landlocked country between France, Germany, Italy, and Austria, with elevation ranging from less than 200 meters to over 4,500 meters above sea level. Switzerland's climate is predominantly temperate. In the summertime, Switzerland can experience heat waves with temperatures in the 30s, and in the winter, cold wave bring temperatures down below 0 degrees Celsius. Source: Meteor Swiss. The geology of Switzerland is comprised of basement crystalline igneous rocks, such as granites, which are overlain predominantly with metamorphic to softer metasedimentary to sedimentary rocks, such as limestone, marl, conglomerate, siltstone. This sequential geology gives insight into its continental subduction birth, potential collision between African and Eurasian plates, relative to seafloor magmatism in birth countries within the Caribbean plate, such as in Jamaica. The occurrence of sedimentary rocks indicate periods of time whereby parts or all of Switzerland was submerged in sea or lake water, and areas of relatively low level indicate earthquake forces potentially resulting in basin formations. It is through combination of geographic and geologic forces that Switzerland has its picturesque landscape we see today. Now, challenges to Switzerland's tourism does exist. According to an EHL hospitality website publication, Switzerland as a tourist destination declined from 5th in 1950 to 28th in 2022. From the 1970s to the 1990s, the development of airlines and transportation facilitated access to Switzerland, especially for mountain tourism. However, the 2000s brought challenges such as competition from new destinations offering more competitive prices. Increased competition came from countries like Austria, Spain, France, and Italy. Similarly, climate change, as well as slow digital innovation, were other contributory factors to the decline in Switzerland's attractiveness for its tourism. Now, in terms of potential long-term solutions to Switzerland's tourism sustainability, in our view, focusing on preserving its touristic gems, such as its natural and cultural resources, fostering an inviting economic environment in the form of affordability for the international market, and preserving its historic and, where applicable, modernizing its infrastructure, as well as maintaining its high standards in service, policy, and governance. Combining these with innovation in technology and high accessibility, in our view, can enable Switzerland to turn the tide and rise back up the ranks within the travel world.